Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to Krabs Trades. That is the new name I'm going with. I rebranded a little bit. No more KrabsFx because I no longer trade any Forex pairs. So only futures for right now because that's just what I like right now. But yeah, this is day one of documenting my journey to getting funded 50K with topstep, and definitely started off very rough today. We kind of took some bad setups and we did take them on the 30-second, which I'm getting rid of, like that being a time frame that I could take. So I'm no longer gonna allow myself to take 30-second time frame trades. But yeah, pretty much here was the first trade. This was a valid setup. It just didn't reach for the internal high and I couldn't move to break even, and price action was very choppy here. As you can see, I got out kind of early here, and yeah, I didn't like the choppiness. I didn't like the setup overall. It's just, I mean, it was valid. We had liquidity sweep here, equal lows rated, delivery from 5 minute, and I took this 30-second entry, which was also a 1 minute gap as well, and the 1 minute closed above as well, but pretty tough there. And here was the second trade right here. This was a 30-second. This was honestly like a really bad setup. We took liquidity. We're delivering off a 1 hour, but this was also like the first leg after a big sell-off, and those usually fake out. As you can, if you guys watch my backtesting videos, I usually say that. So today was just overall a tough day, a tough start to this account, but we're gonna stay strong and keep going. Let me see. So yeah, 1 minute held, and I didn't wait for the 1 minute closure, so this was also like a 1 minute gap. So yeah, just very bad trading on my end. And now I'm also getting rid of having the 30-second as an entry time frame that I can use. So I'm gonna actually get rid of that right here. I'm no longer gonna have that part of my plan because all of the back testing that I've been doing, it was 1 minute and above time frames. I didn't even have the 30-second on FX replay. But yeah, let me see, what else did I write? Price action was very choppy, yeah, and conditions were very bad, and I shouldn't have even been trading during the conditions. Like as you can see in the trade from before, conditions were so choppy that we didn't even reach this internal level before closing below the gap. But yeah, pretty much 2 L's for the day, and I called it a day. I locked myself out of topstep. And yeah, and also I'm gonna go over what would have happened if I was more patient today. Pretty much here was the trade of the day, and I basically couldn't take it because I have a rule where if I take 2 L's in a day, I can't trade anymore. It's to prevent over trading and just making bad decisions. But pretty much this was the trade of the day, which I should have waited for, but I took some L's, and I believe it was in pre-market. Yeah, one L in pre-market and one a little bit later. But yeah, let's see this setup, and I did not take this. This was like a paper trade kinda, but it just really shows that if I was more patient today, I would have had a nice winning day. And pretty much here was a liquidity sweep here. Also, we had SMT with ES. ES actually took this low. So liquidity sweep, delivery from a 1 hour for value gap, equal highs above. This is such a A+ setup. We're also in a discount of the range. So yeah, if I was more patient today, I would have gotten rewarded. And here would be the break-even point. And yeah, nice trade, very clear up to these highs. Probably would have scaled something around here. We had like a 15-minute gap right here, which I would have taken something off. So like 101, I would have taken something off most likely and left that runner. But yeah, going forward, I'm doing this like series to keep myself more accountable, and you guys are going to keep me accountable when I'm impatient and days like today. But yeah, this is the new rule, no more 30 seconds. It's just not what I've been back testing. And yeah, 1 minute and above for entries. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do the rest of the week. It's Monday. We had like no news today, I believe. Yeah, no news Monday. But yeah, pretty tough start. Missed the best trade because I was being kind of dumb. Took some bad trades, and I'm no longer gonna allow myself to be on the 30-second. It's just the 30-second time frame has like way too many possible entries, and it's like you could really get chopped up like how I did. But yeah, going forward, 1 minute and above for entries. That's what I've been back testing. That's what I know is good for me. Like, this is one of my back tests I'm doing right now. If you guys watch any of my videos, you can see me do my back testing, and it's actually going pretty well so far. So I just gotta execute in the live markets as if I'm back testing, and I gotta be way more patient, wait for these A+ setups like this. And what I noted here was I felt a little bit of FOMO, I'm not gonna lie, because this was such a like textbook A+ setup. Like, if we go on to the setup ratings that I use, these are Dodgy's, by the way. I trade his strategy. That's my mentor. Yeah, this was A+ pretty much. Liquidity sweep, delivery from fair value gap. Like I said before, ES took this low, so we had that sweep. We had high momentum closure. Targets were clear, equal highs, singular gap, in discount of the range. So yeah, I did feel FOMO on that, but it's because I was being dumb and I took bad trades in between on the 30-second. So yeah, and I said I didn't really follow my plan here because this was also like a 3-minute gap or something. Let me see, it was a 1-minute gap. So I was just, and we were in a 3-minute, so this just was very bad. But I like the delivery from the 1 hour. I like the liquidity sweep, but yeah, just not the best execution there, and I got punished for that. But yeah, going forward, we're gonna have to stay way more disciplined. I'm gonna be recording every single day. If we blow this account, it's whatever, because honestly, I'm going pretty aggressive here. I'm risking around like 500, but we're gonna try not to blow it and document everything here. And yeah, the main thing with this account is discipline, and I'm taking only 1 to 2 trades a day. So I'm gonna try and take the best setups. I know I'm saying that now after I just took some bad trades, but I'm tightening up my rules even more. No more 30-second trades allowed. And yeah, here's the trading plan that I'm doing pretty much. This is my plan. If you guys want... markets just closed. 4:10 p.m. But I'm not sure if you guys heard that, but Topstep actually talks to you sometimes. But alright, what was I about to say? I don't even know. I was about to say, this is my trading plan. This is what I'm gonna be using. This is pretty much what I've been doing all my back testing with, using like my setups are here. Basically, I'm looking for liquidity sweeps with a delivery from fair value gaps, momentum, inverses, clear targets. I'm using, let's see, some of my targets. targets right here: equal highs and lows, intermediate term highs and lows, data highs and lows, which are basically like 8:30 a.m. news highs and lows. And I'm using LRLR, trendline liquidity. And yeah, those are my targets. And yeah, here's some risk management. I'm actually about to update this. 1 to 2 trades max per day. My max risk per trade's gonna be 500, so I got 4 trades until it's blown. I am going aggressive here. And yeah, I want to add other rules. Yeah, like I even wrote here that lowest time frame for my entries allowed is the 30-second, but ideally the 1 minute. And now I'm gonna be changing that to 1 minute. So yeah, we're tightening up my rules, and hopefully we're gonna have a good week. But no matter what, the rest of the week my main focus is gonna be following my plan. Like, it's kind of disappointing that I kind of broke one of my rules the first day of this account, but that's why I'm recording this video, to keep myself accountable. And yeah, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 500 subs. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. This is episode 1 of the journey to getting funded with Topstep. But yeah, until next time, peace.